What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're going to go over our friend Solana. We're having a little bit of a breakout from a reversal pattern. We're sitting at 143. We're up about 0.5% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 42.43 billion. 24-hour volume is 6.28 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have their incredible Visa cards as well as Crypto Earn, where you can earn awesome interest on staking your coins. My favorite app for investing. So let's get into Solana, guys. We're here on the 1 hour time frame. We have a little inverse head and shoulders. Let me grab my little brush here. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. Here's your left shoulder. Here's your head. And here is your right shoulder. Let me open it up a little bit here. So it's kind of arguable where exactly you would draw the neckline, but it's kind of something like this here. And then what you would do is you would measure all the way down from your wick, guys, to give you your breakout target. And that would bring Solana all the way up. If we were to reach its technical target, it would bring it all the way up to about 155. However, we do have a major level of resistance at $1.48, so keep an eye on that area to take some profits. I'm just gonna grab some juice, guys. A little bit thirsty. All right, cheers. Freshly squeezed orange juice, absolutely succulent. All right, guys, so you can see here, we're coming up to the 55 EMA, so keep an eye on that level as well. If we get rejected, we could roll over here, but I would target $1.48 as your next level of resistance, and then $1.55 is your target, and $1.69 would be another target as well for Solana. We are having our bullish divergence here on the hourly. You can see the price was falling, the RSI was rising, making higher lows, signifying that the bulls are gaining strength and the bears are weakening. So let's look at SOL on the 4 hour time frame. So we're still underneath the EMAs on the 4 hour. So do watch the 20 EMA, could act as a level of resistance as well. If we look at SOL here on the daily, we are underneath the 20 EMA, currently hitting as resistance. So it would be extremely bullish if we did push back up above the 20 EMA. But all eyes on Bitcoin here with our head and shoulders. We're currently back testing the neckline of this head and shoulders. So if we get rejected here, if we don't have a throwback and we roll over, it will pull SOL down with it. But if we can get back above the 20 EMA and we have a throwback, that would be a beautiful sign of strength, and then we're going to see some continuation back to the upside for Bitcoin. So do keep a close eye on that, as it is the master energy. So let's end the video with SOL. So let's say Bitcoin gets rejected here. What will happen with SOL is it will come up, it will hit the EMAs, and it will roll over back to these levels of support, 136, 129. Let's actually drop in one more level of support here. This previous swing low down at about 106. That's if Bitcoin gets rejected and rolls over. But we are having those bullish divergences, which signifies to us the bulls are gaining some strength. So your targets are 148, 155, which is the target of our inverse head and shoulders here on the hourly. And then you have 169 level of resistance for Solana. That's it for Solana, guys. Shout out to the Discord. We have one of our members here. His name is Yogi229, and he posted a chart pattern for SOL. He posted the inverse head and shoulders as well as a falling wedge. So if you want to stay ahead of the game on these trades, you can sign up to the Patreon price of a coffee. Guys, I trade SOL on Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. If you want a full link tutorial, you can check it out. They also have spot trading available, and you receive up to $600 in bonuses just for signing up through my referral. There's no KYC, only takes like 1 minute to sign up. Check out crypto.com, the Discord. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.